Hello everybody, today we're working with our middle split and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises. So first what you will do, we will take one leg for us and another we will take on some height. After that we slowly try take our body for this leg and 3 legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back and let's change leg. So we'll try to take it on the blocks. This is legs, we'll take more for ourselves and trying to go for legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we'll try to take it. Be careful. Try to take it to legs on the blocks and get seat. And now we will start working. We will do this exercise. So 1, 2. And another side. 1, 2. Good work. Take 2 legs to this and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. Follow me and subscribe. So bye bye.